Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today I want to show you guys is 3D models that you guys can get off of online, meaning your Kurt vices, chick vices, parallels, toe clamps, all that stuff that you guys use for fixturing. And it's a common question that comes across, so I wanted to show you guys this. So if you guys go to mysolidworks.com, and it'll bring up this page, and we can come in here and just type in Kurt vice and do a search, and it will pull up all the different models of Kurt vices in the 3D form. So a lot of different options here. You got different work holdings as well, and you can just type in whatever you're looking for. Toe clamps, bolts, all that stuff is in here for you guys. Now it's based off of the 3D Content Central as well, so you guys can also do the same thing at 3D Content Central. They're both from SolidWorks, and we can just type in, like I said, Kurt vice, and it'll bring up all the models of the different Kurt vices as well. So you can get jaws, you can get all different kind of vices in here that you're looking for. And it's a great place that way you don't have to draw up your fixture or anything like that. You can just come and get these models right here. So just want to show you guys those two websites where you guys can get fixtures and whatnot to help you guys out with your SolidCAM experience. So like I said, 3dcontentcentral.com, or you can, like I said, they're going to be migrating over to mysolidworks.com in the future. So just want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.